Okay, hello everybody. Thank you for joining the meeting today. Today I would like to discuss some of the most popular use case with our products, which can be done and covered very simple. So today I'll show you how to track sales pipeline with VirtoSoftware products. It's a common use case in many clients, and very often sales people have to use different CRM systems, which are pretty complex. They need to complete a lot of fields, tags, activities, and it consumes a lot of time. And of course, in some cases, it's really important to have such system, but in case you need just to create some simple sales pipeline to track your leads, to track your events, to get reminders about follow-ups and so on, you just can build pretty simple it with our products. Okay, couple of words about VirtoSoftware. We are Microsoft Gold certified partner. All of our developers are certified by Microsoft. We have 1,800 customers, large and enterprises. 82% of support cases result within two business days. Customer satisfaction is 93%, and every employee is on support frontline. Here's a list of some of our clients. Okay, so when we are talking about sales, in sales process, there are some challenges that which each salesperson meet during their work. So here are some of them. So you always need to see all your leads in a single place. So you don't need to switch between different programs, applications. You need to see everything at once. You also need to get reminders for follow-ups and upcoming meeting calls, because in sales it's a critical point that you need to reach a client at the exact date and time when you have agreed with him. You also need to focus on hot leads with high revenue. So sometimes you can ignore some leads which are really not important or which are not in the hot stage yet, but you can't miss important deals which are really hot and clients who almost ready to purchase your products, services, or anything else. You also need to manage your leads simple without spending much time for it. You better concentrate on talking with clients, meeting with clients, doing some presentation, demonstration for them of your products, of your services, rather than to complete all the stuff, information, plenty of fields, and so on. And of course, it's very important to work in a familiar environment without switching constantly between different tools. So when you're working with Microsoft Teams, when you work with SharePoint, and you work in Office 365, you know this environment and you know how to work with it. And of course, you prefer to manage your leads in the same user interface without switching to different Windows applications and so on. All right, so now I'll just share my screen to show you what you can do to start to manage your leads. Okay, just share my screen. Okay. Okay. All right. So in VirtoSoftware, we have different products, and one of them is Virto Kanban Board, which usually is used to manage and to track tasks, task statuses among your team, to manage some projects and so on. But also, you can use it as a sales pipeline to manage your leads. Um and here is one example. I have created a demo board uh, with which I have used for existing uh, SharePoint list with different leads I have created there. And now I can see all my leads which I have here. I have created different columns which are statuses. So it's new leads, qualified, waiting for dev team. So sometimes, for example, you need to improve your product to add some feature or anything else. Uh, so client will agree to buy this in this case. Waiting on approval, approved. And here we can have also some lead one, lead lost, delayed. Actually, the number of columns and the value fields of these columns can be different. So you just can configure it for your process. Here's just my example. And what we can see here, so we can see all leads in a particular statuses. Also, I can see, for example, if I click here, the total lead value in a particular column. So I just understand how my sales pipeline goes. I can manage my leads directly here. So if I want to move it from here to here, just approved. I can do this right here. I can see some details when I click on it. I just see some details of this lead. I can make some changes if I want to. For example, demo date, I can change it like different date. Save and close. Also, you can open charts and see, for example, that we have two people here. It's me and Erin, and I can see the total number of leads on each statuses. I can, example, remove approved, waiting for dev team, and just keep new and qualified leads. That's here and here as well. If I want to, I can also see a lead value of this field. Yeah, like this. So for example, I want to see new leads. No. Okay, here it is. And it's really pretty simple to track and to manage in this case. And what you can do also, for example, you want to have some calendar where you will see the upcoming events. So we just have a calendar app, which I have created for this sales pipeline. And here I can see the upcoming events and dates for follow-ups. So for example, here's some lead for Kanban board. You can see details here, and I understand that I need to contact with client on this date. And so also I can see here lead statuses. So I just unselect and just want to see new leads. Here it is. And what is important, I can create and modify leads directly here or in Kanban board without switching to different applications. And also I have mentioned that you probably want to work with it in Microsoft Teams. So I will just share my screen with Teams. Okay, I'll just share my whole screen. And here's Microsoft Teams. And here I have added a Kanban board with my leads here. So I can also see it's everything. Yeah, I can do this way for better navigation. So I can work with it in the same way as I can do this in SharePoint page. And also, if I want to see the calendar, I just switch to this tab and can see all my upcoming events directly here. So this is a pretty simple use case, but it's very important to have such process in your company. So if you don't use any CRM and your sales team needs some tool to manage your leads simple, so why not to configure it using these products? So I'll just open my presentation. Yeah. What solutions and services in VirtoSoftware we have? So we have a collaboration tools, work management, automation, administration. We have some bundle packages like Virtual License, Virtual Cloud, which covers all of our products for SharePoint on-premise or Office 65, and we also do some custom development. So here's some example of the pricing. So Virtual Cloud costs from 10 cents per user per month. Virtual license costs $359 per month per server with unlimited number of users. And here are contacts. So you can always download all our products with 3 days fully featured trial from our website at VirtoSoftware.com. If you have any questions or need maybe some extended demo, or if you have some sales questions, you can always email us at sales@VirtoSoftware.com. And if you need any kind of technical assistance, help in configuration of our tool, don't hesitate to contact our support team. They're always happy to help to all of our clients. It doesn't matter if you have trial or you have purchased the product. Just email our team and they will contact you and resolve all your questions in a short time frame. Okay, thank you for watching me. Hope you like this use case, and just email us if you have any questions, need any help, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.